Hello everyone! For today's Free Friday product, I'm going to create pet photo frame laser design. Free download in the description. You can download more pets photo frames on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need sandpaper and nail file and glue. First, you need to use sandpaper to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. I do this to all parts of the design. After that, I start putting together the design. Follow the instructions in the video and you will succeed. While the base of the photo frame is drying, I will take a photo stencil and cut out a photo of my pet according to the shape of the stencil. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this free laser design and many more via link in the description. You can download more pets photo frames on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sales 75. The promotion will last for a month.